Welcome to Ballybunion, County Kerry, where even the rocks have stories older than your family tree. And right in front of you, Vірджин-Рок, a mighty arch rising from the Atlantic like nature's own cathedral, or maybe an oceanic donut. Depends on your hunger level. And here it is, Virgin Beach. No, not that kind of virgin. It's just the name, folks. But one thing's for sure, no crowds, just waves, wind, and wild Atlantic peace. At 120 meters high, the drone gives us a bird's eye view. And if you're afraid of heights, don't worry, the seagulls up here are very friendly. That splash? Just Poseidon waving hello. Now we're gliding over Ireland's edge cliffs that have faced storms, legends, and seagulls with attitude. A hidden rocky cove perfect for pirates, or poets in hiding. Then, behold, Ballybunion Beach stretches out like nature's red carpet, leading us to the historic Ballybunion Castle, a stone sentinel watching over the sea for centuries. This castle has stood through Ireland's long struggle for independence, a proud symbol of resilience. And here's a thought, Ireland fought for centuries to be free. Just like Ukraine, whose people today defend their freedom from brutal invaders. Different shores, same spirit. From this height, you can see the whole town of Ballybunion. Small, cozy, stubborn, just like any self-respecting Irish village. And as we fly back, let's remember, freedom is not a gift, it's a duty. Ireland knows what it means to fight for your land. Ukraine knows too. Together, with support from every democracy that values peace, we'll stand against tyranny. Because only united, only together can we keep the waves of freedom rolling. From the cliffs of Kerry to the plains of Ukraine, liberty always finds a voice.